Hello guys, the new Doogee DK10 is undoubtedly one of the most powerful rugged smartphones available today. Coming soon, the DK10 from Doogee sets a new standard in rugged phone technology, boasting advanced Morpho imaging features for superior photography and video stability. Its innovative Kevlar back cover combines style with the functionality, ensuring a secure grip for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring an AMOLED display, the DK10 delivers a vibrant visual and immersion previously unseen in rugged devices, all that with the 120-watt rapid fast charging. With mil-STD 810H, IP68 and IP69K ratings, the phone is built to withstand the toughest conditions, making its ultimate choice for reliability and durability. Be sure to visit Doogee official sales link below this video and pre-order this fantastic smartphone. For more information, stay tuned and maybe we'll see him soon in a review on this channel. Until then, bye.